game going here. They don't need any help scoring from FEU. They need to minimize their errors. Nice running attack there coming from Nestor Molate.
They are scoring on display, running back quick. Look at this, Molate without any blockers. In fact, no, mababa na yung set. But just the athleticism of this guy, Molate, able to score.
Ginawa ng paraan. Lefty service there. Service ace from De Ocampo. Mga setter magaling mag-serve.
That's right. Parang ano yun, no? May karga, may direction, biglang bumababa yung bola.
Di ba parang that's very common.
Yeah.
Like si even Rhea de Maculangan, kapatid ni Carl, ganun din.
That's right.
Diba?
Also an awardee in the women's as the best server. So it runs in the family.
I
And
wonder if the de Maculangans are around. I'm sure a lot of supporters from their family are around. No? Dalawa pinapanood nila.
Yung buong angkan.
Ilan pa kaya ang setter sa pamilya nila? No? It seems to run it's in the blood.
Ooh, outside.
Ay, sayang.
After saying that setters serve pretty good, De Ocampo sending it to the outside.
And USD quit 21 now. Di Maculangan's back in.
See what is happening?
Kanya back in.
What's happening to FEU? They shortly get the momentum back, but because of those unforced errors, because of that, they just lose it right away and give away bonus points to UST.
Napuputol, no? They can't stack up the points. Maculangan with a serve now. De Ocampo setting up. Oh my gosh. Maybe not the right serve, no? Not the right person to choose kasi bantay na bantay ng blockers ng UST. Ayun.
That's right. Pecaña just came in and made his presence felt right away. Look at how he waved his arms to the left.
In their faces and he stared down there.
Another reception error. And this is really costing FEU this first set.
And they call another timeout. Let's listen to FEU again.
Petrus, sino ba yung ace spiker mo? Sa mga crucial ng kailangan natin sumaydaw, sino nga hanapin mo? Si Nestor. Diba? Kung sino ka bumabata, doon tayo. Hindi natin kailangan ng maraming play. Basic tayo, boys. Basic volleyball tayo. Okay? Quick. Patakbuhin mo. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag nandito yung blocker, kailangan gumagalaw tayo. Hindi tayo pwede naka-steady lang yung blockers. Hindi. Kailangan gumalaw tayo. Para gumalaw yung blocker para makakuha tayo ng points. Okay?
Alright, no analysis needed there. That was clear as day.
Those questions directed, of course, the setter, De Ocampo, asking him to give it to our money man. You know, Molate in the front line, but he's not getting the touches right now.
That was right after that box play that we saw na talagang the offensive block waiting to happen for UST. And now this is a precarious 17-23 deficit for FEU. Lucky break there as Carl De Maculangan gives him a free point.
Sabi siguro ni Carl, I've got the award anyway.
Oo nga.
It's in my bag already.
One-handed set for De Maculangan. Stopped by FEU. Molate going up. Still, the block of USC is there. Labrador this time from the middle. De Maculangan, combination attack. Pecaña coming from the back. Molate slows it down. He is the money man for nothing.
That's right. And look at that adjustment by Molate. That set was really, really low. Wala na siya timing, but you know, having the press of mind to just tip it over.
Timeout UST.
Binabaon mo lang ng todo eh. Wala nang blocker. Wala nang blocker yung sa'yo. Yung quick, mabilisan mo lang paano, masyadong baon eh. Ang advantage mo, yung kamay nila, pag paano mo siya babaw agad ng kamay, mabilisan ang dating ng bola. Ha? Hoy, paano yun natin? Nalulukaw ang kansa ng bola. O, apat na bang natin, ha? Lagsa ako, ha? Lagsa ka. Gitna ka, ha? Gitna ka sa mali. 1, 2.
There's the voice of experience. Quick hit, a tip, sometimes better than a kill.
That's right. Ang sinasabi niya, hindi mo naman kailangan ibaon eh. Wala ka ng blocker. So, the more mong ibaon, the more mong binibigyan ng chance yung kamay ng blocker na makasalat sa bola.
Explain lang natin kasi kung yung baon, kailangan you get it at a higher time.
Yes,
mas matagal mong yung contact to the ball. You're not giving the blockers time. Quick one, Labrador! Off of Ramos's hands there. And look at FEU refusing to roll over and die.
That's right. This is an excellent play here by FEU. Not waiting for the FEU or the UST block to get set up. Ramos going up by himself. And Labrador scoring one over round.
Canada with a nice reception. Baby Torres, too much of a wind-up there.
Grabe. Ang bigat ng bola eh. Parang ramdam mo, miski dito sa upuan eh.
The form, the guy who worked from, in his own words, from nothing to something.
That's right. Become the
Zero to hero.
best attacker for UST. That is outside.
Outside,
Oh, there's a
insisting on a tip or a...
A net on Harvey Ilano.
Wow, saving that set point. Still so at set point for UST though. Let's take a look at this slow-mo here.
Oh, JP. JP Torres.
A couple of net violation calls against JP already today. Still set point for UST. FEU, no errors allowed. Tecania is dug. Outside, they're going up. Torres, too much for FEU. This time going down the line and winning it for UST in a pretty easy fashion. 25-21 is the final score in this first set. We'll be back for set number 2 after the break.